Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome to Oh Sarah, So Sarah. Today I'd like to show you how to make your own pants pattern. You will need a pair of pants that you want a copy of, old newspapers or some kind of paper to make a pattern from. You can even use tissue paper that you might buy at Dollar Tree, newsprint, packaging paper. You'll need Scotch tape, pins, a tape measure, and marking utensils. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our paper together. Okay. Now we're going to make the pattern for the front of our pants. We're going to pin this down flat. As you can see, this is the seam, so that's where we want our fold to be, on the seam. On the front of the pants, we see that the fold extends past the seam allowance. So we're going to pick up the fabric on the seam allowance, and that's where we're going to pin. We're going to just gently tuck that extra fabric underneath and pin. Pattern piece for the front is easier to make than the pattern piece for the back. We're going to continue pinning all the way down your pants, and then we're going to come up to the top. Okay, we're going to mark our inner seam, and as you can see, we've got a lot of extra fabric here. We're just going to stuff that under. Do the best we can right here to pin. It is a little bulky, but I think we can do it. Okay, next we're going to measure for our casing. Remember, we're adding 1 1/4 inches to the top of the waistband. And we're marking. And here we have some difficulty here, so we're going to come back to that. Let's go here, and we're going to make our markings 1/2 inch from the fold, because we are keeping in mind that we do have a 1/2 inch seam allowance once we put our garment together. I'm going to go all around the garment, making 1/2 inch marks from where we folded. We're adding 2 inches to the length of our pants, and we'll draw a straight line. And then we'll connect our lines. And let's move on up to the top. I'm going to unpin right here because we've already drawn our lines. And I'm going to maneuver the fabric so that we can get just the waistband marked and measured. And we're adding 1 1/4 inches. And we're going to connect our lines. And we'll connect our lines here. And we'll unpin and cut out the paper. We have our pants back cut out, our pants front cut out. And now we're done making our own pants pattern. Join me next time as we pin and cut out our pants. Keep sewing and please like, share, and subscribe.